Hi, my name is Kayla Gentasio, and welcome to my PE equipment shopping spree. I have a limit of $500, and I will be touring you through all my equipments. My first equipment is the Super Square Balls. Now, these Ultra Play 4 square balls are a great way for students to be able to learn how to catch and throw and block themselves when it's coming at them. They have to have coordination in order to catch it and throw it. Without that, they won't be able to know what they're doing with the ball. And I only have a quantity of one, bringing it to $59.95. My next item is the Air Commander plastic discs. Now, these discs are great for hand-eye coordination. To be able to see the disc through the air, run to it, and catch it is a big step for students learning. It is also a great way for students to be able to learn how to throw the disc, bringing it in and releasing it, and be able to have it in a straight distance. And I only have a quantity of one, bringing it to $27.95. The next one is the Ultra Shoot parachutes. These parachutes are great for students that need more communication skills. That's why I decided to have a quantity of two. The first parachute would be for students who need more communication and can work amongst themselves. The next one would be for students who already have a sense of communication skills and can build together. That comes out to $179.90. The next one is segmented ropes. Now, these jump ropes are great for students for exercising without them even realizing it. They can be used for different activities and just for fun. That's why I have a quantity of 3. With a total of 6 each, it comes out to 18 jump ropes. And it comes to a total of $71.98. That brings me to the next section. I then have the sports balls. These sports balls include volleyball, soccer ball, and a football. Unfortunately, it's only one each. So I decided to have the volleyball and the football. These both are two different sports, but have very good movement skills with feet and hand-eye coordination. This brings me out to $119.90. Then I come down to the InReach Bell Ball. This bell ball is great for students to track down the ball and have a good perception of where it is. The color also resonates with a bright red color for the students to see when it's coming and where it's coming from. That's why I only need a quantity of one, coming out to $29.95. This brings my subtotal down to $459.49. My tax is 7.5%, which is $34.39. That brings my budget to $494.29, not exceeding my budget. Thank you.